Welcome to the Pirls Stock Market Commentary video, your weekly window on stock market technical conditions, featuring the proprietary bull-bear point and figure market breadth summary chart for March 24th, 2019. Market breadth. With this past week's market advance, our bull-bear point and figure ratio at 1.09 fell from 1.40 last week. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns decreased fractionally to 3,011. The count of bearish stocks increased 14%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns decreased 11%. The Pirls PNF market breadth summary chart shows us a market now 11 weeks in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Open Office Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking Membership, clicking Register, and following the prompts. To receive the weekly Pirls Stock Market Commentary via email, free of charge, simply enter your name and your email address in the spaces provided and click Subscribe. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, fell 77 points for the third decline in 11 weeks. At a positive 397.70 points, it has fallen below the January 2018 top and continues below the June 2018 top, the February 2019 top, and the October 2017 top, continues above the remaining four tops above plus 100 in the last 30 months, and, of course, it continues above all five bottoms below minus 100 in the last 30 months. Volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Nasdaq Composite Index ended in distribution mode with average daily volume lower than the prior week. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq had 5 accumulation days and 1 distribution day. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week, the Nasdaq ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode, on lower average daily volume. Momentum. The CCI 20 daily, in a Woody's uptrend, is now at a positive 80.58, down from a positive 173.83 last week. It continues outside the plus or minus 50 range. It will need to fall back into that range in order to form a zero-line reject long entry point. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 1 week ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's uptrend 9 weeks ago. The CCI 20 weekly in a Woody's uptrend at a positive 132.31 rose from a positive 123.78 last week. With 7 weeks above zero, it continues in a Woody's uptrend and continues outside the plus or minus 50 range required for a valid zero-line reject long entry signal. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and all of the bottom 5 are negative. Summary: some tech, S&P retail, and oil services on the top. KBW Bank and brokers on the bottom. Bullish CompTech continues in the top 5. CompTech and S&P retail have entered the top 5. Gold and silver has left the top 5. Bearish brokers continues in the bottom 5. KBW Bank has entered the bottom 5. REITs has left the top 5. Oil services has left the bottom 5 and entered the top 5. Focus this week. In this wide-ranging, highly informative YouTube X22 Report Spotlight interview, quote, "The gold trade note has been introduced. The central bank is on the chopping block. Jim Willie," end quotes. With host Dave, guest Jim Willie has some concerns about the emerging global gold standard including attempts to securitize fake gold, tungsten core bars. I think you'll enjoy this one. Thank you for watching this week's Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary video featuring the proprietary bull bear point and figure market breadth summary chart compiled by Donald Pearl, www.s2pmarketsignal.com. For Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary, I'm Cynthia Pearl, hoping that you have been enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you're looking forward to a prosperous and productive week coming up, and wishing you true success.